Start. You can. Right. Okay. Welcome to Learning Live. No, Learning HTML Live with five. Okay. Right. We'll cut it. We won't, but because I have to. Welcome to Learning HTML Live with Piper and Nardcake. I know a bit of HTML, but I want to learn some more, and Nard's very good at it. Well,
For the most part, yeah.
See, look how there's a word for that, isn't there? Look how much he compliments himself. There you go. That's it. Anyway, let's get on with HTML. Right. Where do we start?
Okay. Well, to start, we have to declare the document type.
Right.
So yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Doc type and
Okay.
HTML.
So wait. So explain that a bit more. Why do you have to define the doc type, or don't you know?
Because if you don't, the browser will think it's like, I don't know, like some mental language or something. And if it doesn't know what specific type of HTML it is, it might render it differently.
Oh, I get you, because there's different versions, isn't there? Like HTML4 and HTML5. Right, okay, right, I get you. Next.
Okay, so then you gotta make the opening tag HTML and the closing tag.
It's gonna be a lot of keyboard taps as we go through this, but yes, right. So
okay,
go with that. What?
Okay, then gotta have the head tags, which is where most of the information is stored, or like meta information and your title.
Ooh. Did you say meta? Isn't it
Yes.
meta? It's meta.
Definitely meta. Do you say syrup?
Okay, just to
or syrup?
explain something. He's American, I'm British, so this might get fun. I don't think anybody will care, but I'll put that out there.
Is it syrup or syrup?
It's syrup.
I say syrup.
Weirdo. Anyway, we're doing HTML, not talking about being British or American. So wait, hey, I don't think these people know what the heck head and title or anything means. So you need to explain it, because.
Okay. Hey, let's here just a second. Let me fix my screen sharing here.
Oh, right.
And
we're going to me.
Put it on the whole left monitor here. Okay. And okay, so if you run this in Chrome.
Oh, hello. I don't have Chrome. I use Firefox.
Okay, whatever. If you run it in a web browser of any kind.
It's on a different window. Oh, I need to sort my screen sharing as well. God damn it.
So what is in the title tags here is right here in the tab, or in whatever. I know, it's pretty crazy.
Like, oh, right.
Yes.
Ah, right, yes, sorry, carry on. So that's like at the very top of sort of the tab is. Right, so as he goes and is busy. So, as I understand it, when anything put between title, the start tag, the end tag of title, is put in that little top bar. So I guess you could just write weird ass stuff like, I don't know, this website's terrible, go away, hacks, it's a virus, I don't know. So let's overview, or racist. Yeah, that does it as well.
Yeah.
I was just overviewing what we've done. I didn't get very far. All I got was title. Oh, that's a good one. Our page.
Yes, it's a very good one.
Our website. Oh, you know what you got to do? That you got to go hello world. Now that's the one everybody does.
Oh, yeah.
But no, I'm not doing hello world. No.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Hello world. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we've got the document. Defining the document type. We got HTML and NHTML, which do what?
It's the main wrapper of the page, so everything again will render
like Christmas
properly.
wrapping.
Yes, exactly like that. Sometimes you can even like get like some patterns and stuff on it. It's pretty it's pretty interesting.
Oh wow. Right.
Okay,
Okay. Head
but
is
we should probably explain why there are slashes in the end tags.
okay.
That's
I don't
just to
know.
make
You're the guy who knows HTML.
okay. So the start tags don't have a slash, and the end tags have a slash to show that it's an end tag. It's pretty
I thought there was a more interesting reason, but okay. Go with that.
Okay. So now
Well, we're gonna store in for head for now.
yes. Now we'll start with the body tags,
Ooh.
which is where everything that will be displayed on the page will be displayed.
Oh, so is that like the big empty window that we had, the white space?
Yes, exactly. So if I type hello world or something like that,
Ah, yes. Hello world.
refresh. Yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
wow.
yes.
I've got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, oh no, what's happened? Okay. there
Oh,
you
look at his whole desktop. Quickly, pause it.
go. Okay. So now those aren't the only main wrapping paper tags that there are. I mean, you can get. I know you can have different patterns on this wrapping
Ooh.
paper,
Wow.
but there's other varieties.
Ah, so you can you have them like different materials and all that sort of stuff. So you can have some in paper. Even you can, if you're really like poor, you can have it in like newspaper, can't you? Sort of pattern. That's quite nice.
Okay, just ignore everything we just said.
Yeah, ignore all the wrappers sort of.
Okay, so
Notes.
there's
Okay.
so far we got the main HTML wrapper,
Yep.
and then the head tag, the
Yep.
title tag, and the body
So
tag.
the things in head or the head tag, anything that's really in that isn't shown on the main body unless it's within the title.
Well, you
So
could
if you
type
wrote something in
random
head,
stuff. Well, it will be shown actually.
oh,
It's just mostly everything you put in the head will be like meta.
Above.
I'm sorry, meta information and stuff like
Meta.
that. And then like
so is this
if we
stuff
get on
like
the scripting
CSS?
later.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then there's
That's
other
interesting.
tags as well
Ooh.
for HTML5, so it'll help the browser recognize and render stuff quicker. So
Ooh.
there'll be not to be confused with the head tags, but there's also header tags.
Oh god.
To be like the top of your web page. So basically, it just signifies it to the browser, so it's easier to render. And then the header tags, you might have the nav tags, where you put your navigation,
Ooh.
and then after your body tags, you might put a footer tags.
Ah, so I get it. So it's like a bit like a Word document sort of thing, if you think of it that way. Maybe.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, sort of like.
Okay, so now that we have all of that down, let's just kind of clear everything out, and let's put back in let's put in the
Oh.
header again,
Oh right.
and the body.
What? Why did you make me get rid of it all?
Some typing practice.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, so we will start with some basic tags now.
Okay.
Okay, so in your views aren't switching. You're not being broadcasted at all. Wait, we have one viewer right now.
Wow. Hi, one viewer. I bet it's me or you. By accident.
Okay.
Look, let's just keep going. Ignore
Alright.
that person. They've been plenty enough entertainment. I don't know how to get to the.
Okay.
Oh, I do.
So
I'm gonna go. Sorry, yeah, carry on.
now we'll show the most basic tags.
I thought they were the most basic. Well, they're
Yeah,
the most important.
the most important wrapping tags. You know, again with the wrapping paper, we could wrap present inside. Maybe.
Look, stop referring back that you're confusing people. It's not good.
Okay, so we'll start in the header. We'll work on like a fake website or something. So first, okay, there's like header tags. Like, if you don't know what headers are, they're like headers.
That does not explain it to anybody.
Well, oops, H1. Okay, so if you type something in these H1 tags, it'd be like, I'm not mental. Okay.
What? No, sorry. Let's do something slightly more sensible.
Like, how about like Hello World?
Web page. That's more like it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
thinking about this item. Oh yeah, we
web
need to
page
change
one or
Hello
two
World as well.
words.
Oh, what?
Is web page one or two words?
It's one word now. If
Is
it's
it
two
okay?
words, then well, never mind.
Okay. So if you look at that, it's a header. There's a
Oh, I
the
see.
header.
Just a big font.
yes.
Uh-huh.
And then there's 6 header tags altogether.
Oh, I see.
if-
So it goes
If
H1.
if the nu- yes, as the number gets larger, it gets smaller, which I don't know why that is, but
It's
that's how it is.
confusing.
So-
You. Yeah.
Yep.
Ah,
And then
yes.
each 6 looks almost like regular font size.
Almost.
Yes. Well,
But is
actually, it
it
might
like
be a little
slightly
smaller.
bigger? Oh, it's
Actually, it might be a little smaller. Yeah.
Yeah, that is
But
definitely.
it's always bolded.
Oh,
as well.
okay. Oh, so it's
Yes.
okay. So header's always in bold.
Yes. Unless you style it differently in CSS. Whoa,
But-
that's a bit advanced right now. So we'll touch on that.
Hello. Whoa! It's a bit advanced,
Whoa,
right?
we have two viewers right now.
One of them might be me. I was looking. Hold on.
Well, I don't have it open, so. Well, I
How do
mean,
you know?
I think in Google Hangouts you can get like on the front page or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
people might click on it.
Fine.
Okay.
Streaming you. Anyway, sorry. Back to this. Sorry, everybody. We're
Okay.
very-
So right now we have a header that says my first. Oh no, I just went to YouTube on accident.
Look. Just keep going.
Okay.
God, YouTube.
Okay. So
Okay,
this is
right. We're
my
back. Good.
first web
Web-
page.
Okay.
That is pretty cool. Okay, so that's the header right now.
Yep. Okay.
It's pretty advanced stuff right there. You could probably sell this to Google for like one of their
Can you
projects or
be-
something. I don't know.
Maybe any less patronizing to people? I think that's
Okay.
a no, isn't it?
Okay.
So-
Okay. So let's go into the body tags. Start making the body of the website.
The content of the website.
The content. The website.
I'll let you preparing
Okay.
yourself, getting ready into a fight. So,
Okay,
yeah, carry on.
so let's just type a bunch of stuff. So the content of the website goes right here.
I'll put connect.
in the
Oh
body
god.
tags. Okay,
Oh, I
and
can't
then that will
Like,
just display your content.
goes nowhere. What? Oh, yes. Ah, that's cool. Goes right here in the body. Oh, and oh, I see. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, look. Refresh. Yay! I've got it.
All right.
Very good.
So,
Sure.
okay. Here's another tag that may
Ooh.
or may not come in
Tags.
handy. It's called the HR tag with the horizontal line, which
Whoa.
will make a horizontal line across the page, which is
Ooh,
quite
wow.
handy for content organization at times.
Oh, it's like splitting things up. Oh, wow, that's really neat.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that can also be styled in CSS. But
Ooh,
yeah,
wow.
that's extremely advanced. So
Look, it's not extremely advanced. It's just we need to get to it. Don't
Okay.
scare people away from the.
okay, so let's see. Another fancy tag could be using is the line break tag,
Ooh.
which it's typed like this, BR,
Okay.
and that will basically put everything down a line that is after it. So
Ah,
instead of all being displayed on one line, it says the content of the website, line break, goes right here, line break, in the body tags.
Ooh, wow.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And back to the HR tags. If you put those in,
Oh, HR, yes. I was like, HR tags already? Oh, yeah, what does that do?
they will also break down and also display the horizontal
Oh,
line. Yeah,
wow.
it's very,
Okay.
very, very cool.
Useful.
Yes.
What happens if you do a break line and a HR together?
It depends where you put the break line. If it's before the HR, it'll make a line break and then display the HR. You put it
Oh, I
after
see.
the
So it's
HR.
like a break line, you're sort of just pressing enter.
Yes.
Like a... Gotcha. Right, carry on. We're good.
Okay, so what other tags could we be doing right now? Okay. About the paragraph tags, maybe? I don't know.
Paragraph tags. Ooh.
The P tags.
P tags.
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you need to keep putting all these, like when you actually type HTML, do you need to keep, like, putting things on different lines, or can it all be in, like, one singular line?
It can be in one singular line, yeah.
But it's just, for humans, it's easier.
Yes. Except the doc type has to be on the first line. And alone. Like, well, it doesn't have to be on the first line, but nothing else can be on that line. Except the doc type.
So what happens if you do put something on that line?
I'm not sure. Let's find that out.
Let's find out. Yay. Hello. Oh, look at you. I'm writing some cool things.
I don't think it does anything. I don't know. But if you have like straight to
God.
HTML5, you will notice a difference, probably.
Probably, but maybe not.
Yes. Okay, so these paragraph tags, they just make paragraphs, and they're not really too useful, but they could be used for like organization or styling or something like that.
Oh, so like if you had a bit of text that instead of just writing it just in the HTML, you could put these paragraph tags on and then give them like CSS styles and fancy things.
And then there is the block quote tag. Most of these tags are tags you will like never use, but well, you could use block quote.
Why wouldn't we use them? What would be the reasoning?
To use the block quote?
No, why wouldn't we use these tags?
I don't know, I'm just saying stuff.
Wow, really helpful you are, aren't you? So,
okay. So the block, it just basically tabs over and makes an indentation.
Oh, so
yes, it would be useful for quotes. And then for like an inline quote, you could just use, I think it's like a Q tag. I actually have not used this before, but let's see.
Q tag.
Yes, yeah, and then it automatically puts quotes around with whatever is in the tag.
Just doing that to something, and I just put. Oh, that's helpful.
Yes.
I was actually putting like the little sort of apostrophes. Is it apostrophes or is it something else? No, they're not apostrophes. Whatever.
Okay, so now I don't know why I have not done this yet, but the bold tags. Now, the bold tags type like that, so it just makes everything bold, but that is actually not standard HTML5. So the new tag for that is the strong tags, which do the exact same thing.
Just make you type more letters.
Yes, I don't know why that is, but
maybe maybe they designated B to something else.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Then the italics tags. So.
Okay. And all these can be like listed after one each other, can't you? So you could have a bit of text that was bold and italics at the same time, couldn't you?
Yes, you could. I'll do that right now, actually.
Hey, see. Right, hold on. My website's coming along nicely. Really sort of interactive and everything. So, let's see. What have we gone over? So, So what we got? We got okay. So we got a bold thing that's been bolded and just one word website that's been bolded and been italic. I got the same, but I put quote as well because my website's special and everything. Hey, it is. I mean, if you look at the website, it is an amazing website.
42.
Yeah,
What is
you
that?
got to show the users. Actually, I can't see the stream, so I don't know. See, 42. Oh, you don't get the reference. Come on.
No, I don't.
Wow. That's harmful. I'm quite hurt by that. Right. Well, never mind. People who understand will understand. You won't. You'll be lonely. Sorry. Carry on. So, what we got? So we're doing some formatting text. So
Yes.
in the basic content in.
Okay. So, what should we do now?
Is I standard to HTML, or is it HTML5, or has it been changed in HTML?
I believe the I tag is HTML5.
Okay.
I'm
Cool.
pretty sure. I have not heard otherwise, but
From your
from
minions
Sabin.
above.
Okay. So now, should we go over tables maybe?
Whatever you think's easiest or next, the most, the best step to go on to. Yeah.
Okay. So do tables then. Okay. So while for these newer versions of HTML, I don't know how long ago, like 2 maybe, I'm not sure, but they used to use tables to lay out the whole web page.
Okay.
But now they use div tags, which we'll move on to later.
Ooh, div tags.
Yes. Okay, so so to make a table, just type out the opening and closing table tags.
So the table tags are now used for actual tables instead of
Yes.
website.
Most of the time, unless you like, I don't know, mental or something. I don't know. Okay.
What do you guys think about mental? Right. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. So now the table tags. Now, so you can visualize it, you can type it out as it might be displayed in the table. So now inside the table, you make these tags, the TR tags, which stand for table row.
Okay. Yep.
Yep, and then that just makes a row on the table.
Okay.
And then in there you type TD.
Oh, TD.
Yes, I'm not quite sure why it's called TD, but it just means like table item, like a part of the table, I guess. And you type.
Okay. So is TD really the column of a table?
Yes, pretty much.
Right.
And then I don't know. Let's say column 1.
I'm trying to think of something to relate to my thing. Brian. Oh, I see. And you use good TD. Okay, cool. Hold on.
Yep.
TD.
Okay.
Backslash.
And then,
TD.
so if you can let's copy paste that whole row down.
Oh, that's a bit cheaty. So you said we need to practice our typing, but no, obviously not.
Okay, so it just kind of organizes
I
the
see.
content, and then if you now move on to something very very crazy, it's called an attribute.
Ooh.
So in the tag you type that
Border.
in quotes and then what you want in it. So let's
So
type
is the
1.
border how thick the
Yeah, it'll
lines around the stuff is going to be?
yes. So it'll look like that.
Oh wow.
Mhm.
This looks really fancy. Ooh, why has it got all this like fanciness around it? I thought it was just gonna be like boring, like little black lines, but no, it's got some styling to it.
Yes, it does. And then you can also
Yes, it
style
does.
them in CSS. Now,
Ah,
another tag you could use is the TH tag, which is pretty much the same exact thing as a TD tag, except it makes the text bold.
oh, so I think
And
it's
so-
called a table header, isn't it?
Yes, it's like table header.
Ah, okay, hold on. Okay, name. What else could I have as a header? No, keep going on. uh, DOB. Brian. Jerome. And what's Brian Jerome's date of birth? We'll go. What date is it today? It's 23rd. So we'll make him the 25th. Because it's Christmas. Oh no. There we go. Oh, I've got a Pililing. Pililing. Where does the Pililing come from? We'll keep going. Supposedly we got crashing. Oh god, we got. Oh god, I'm gonna invite him back. How the heck do I do that? Ah, there we go. No, I don't want to make a new one. Um,
I think. Yeah.
Yo,
Okay.
we're back
So
again.
yeah,
Chrome crash.
my Chrome crashed. So
Should have got Firefox.
yes. No. It's okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have it. I have every single major browser just for Chrome. So.
And now I can see him. Firefox, Safari, Opera. Anyway, back to where we were. Where were we? Oh, making
We
tables,
were
weren't we?
Yes, we were making tables, and we just finished. I just finished explaining the table header tags.
Yes.
makes it-
So let's just go a quick overview of what we have actually done so far.
Okay.
Keep deleting it. So we defined a HTML document with .type HTML. We've done the main wrapper, which is the HTML, and the ending. And ending tags always end with a / and then whatever the first tag was called. Then we did head, which then had title, and then title was what's put in like the top of the tab in the web page. Then we got header and body and footer, which is HTML5 nice rendering stuff. So in header you put all the stuff that you want in like the top part of the web page. So, and then there's also nav, which is for the navigation. And then in header what we've done is we put h1, which is a tag for different types of header, different types of formatting text that look like headers, and it will always be bold, and it goes through 1 till 6. Am I right? Yeah.
Yep.
We also
That-
did HR space / end, which is a horizontal line, and it also does a break line with it, and it gives you a nice fancy line within the web page for nice breaking up of the web page. We also did BR space /, which is a break line, which is more like a enter on the keyboard if you're typing in like a Word document or generally pretty much any text editor. We then moved on to body, and you did block quote. You also did strong, which is making things bold, and I, which makes things italic. You also did Q, which is making things in quotation marks or quote marks. They're quote marks. That's what they're called. You got through all that, and then we got onto tables. We didn't miss anything else, did I? I tried to keep my web page and not delete anything. So just a quick run through. And then we went on to tables, and you first to define one table, you have to put it within table and an end table, and then TR is for table row, TD is for a cell within the table, or is it a column? Let's go for a cell.
It is TD. It's like a cell, yeah.
Yeah, and then
Cell
we got TH, which is the header of the.
Okay.
Yes.
That is all a true story.
It is, isn't it? Right, so let's carry on. Where were we? Yeah, okay. So, tables. Next.
Okay, so what should we do next? Okay, how about we do? Okay, well, tables is how web pages used to be laid out all the time.
Yes, of course.
But after that came the div tag, div and span tags, and a bunch of other types of elements. So we'll do that right now. So div tag, closing div tag, and
Okay.
a bunch of text is right here. I'll just say that. Okay. And so it doesn't do anything special by itself.
Yeah, okay. Hold on, let me just have a look at this. There we go.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Oh,
Then
wait. Just a quick thing, because what's happened with I've put div. Oh, I see what I've done. All right, carry on.
Okay.
I put the DVIs within the table wrapper, but it's fine. And it put it on top, and I was wondering why. So carry on. My fault.
Okay. Alright. So there's different types of elements. A div is a block element, and
What?
a span is a inline element. So I will demonstrate that now.
Okay, so a black element. Did you
No.
say?
Black. B-L-O-K, O-C-K.
Oh, block. Right.
Yes.
I think it's a black element. I think this is getting a bit serious. This is.
Okay. So you look here.
Text.
This is in a div element, and then what's under it is not in an element. Well, it's in the main body element, but it's not in the div or anything. And it's displayed under what was in the div element, because a div element is a block element, and it's pushing everything down.
Oh, okay.
So if we made the div span,
Yeah.
that would all, which is an inline element, it would all be displayed in line.
Ooh, wow.
Yes.
Ah.
It's
Okay.
quite handy. And span tags are mainly only used just for like some text. You can't technically you're not supposed to put images or forms or anything in there.
What,
but
in
it
span?
works. In span, yeah.
Yeah.
And pretty much anything in divs. So I'm div again. Alright. Think we should teach anything else before we go into styling?
Keep going with divs. Just do more formatting with divs, I think, because. Actually, no. Start on styling, yeah, but don't do it like as a different file. Do it as sort of inside the HTML.
Okay. I think that would work. I'm trying to think if there's anything mainly like extremely important. I forgot.
If there is, we'll go back to it and we'll explain it. Well, you'll explain it. But.
Okay. Pretty sure we can move on to styling now, because you can't really do much with HTML or just plain HTML. Oh yeah, we should probably go over links and displaying images.
That'll be
first.
good.
Yeah.
And images and all that sort of, yeah.
Okay, so to make a link, it's called an anchor tag. So
Ooh.
put A
Okay.
/A, and then put like what you want your link to say. So a link, and then
Oh, so that'll be the text of the link.
yes, and then to determine where it goes, I have to make an attribute called href.
Or href.
Yes.
Definitely. Okay.
And then
Do you know what
Can't-
href stands for?
I really don't.
Hyperlink reference? Hyperlink reference?
Oh, okay. I
I don't know, just guessing.
Okay.
So,
Okay,
carry on.
so in here, you can't just type, for example, google.com. You have to type out HTTP. Do you know what that stands for? Because I know what that stands for. Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
I was gonna say that. I knew it was a protocol.
Okay,
God.
then you would type in the address after that.
Then you need www. Oh my.
You need the what?
Oh, come on! You gotta do your promotion, Nard. You gotta put your own website on. Come on. I'm putting your website on mine.
To create a bin.
Create a bin, yeah. Oh, to create a bin is not just for creator. God, I would have been.
No, it's not.
Look, we'll do promotion at the end.
Okay.
You gotta
I'll
put
just
create a bin. Right, so
Nardcake.com
gotta
here.
put the protocol of it. So we put HTTP because that's how websites are protocol around. I mean,
Yes.
if it was a secure one, would you have to do HTTPS?
Most secure websites, I think they'll just automatically direct themselves to HTTPS anyways.
Oh, okay.
It's not really that big of a deal.
Oh, yes, it does link you to your website. Oh,
Yes.
it's a very nice website.
Yeah. It's okay.
No biasness there.
Okay. So now we have that. Oh yeah, we should probably move on though. We should probably do forms too.
Forms, God. Okay.
Yeah,
do
I'm
that.
getting a lot. Okay. See, we'll do images too as well, quick.
Oh yeah, just a quick thing before we. How do you do comments in a HTML?
Oh yeah, good idea. Okay, comments.
'Cause it's always a good thing when you're making anything to comment everything you do.
Yes. So you know what you're doing, and anything it comments will not be rendered out by the browser. So it's easy. Like, for example, if you want to like save like a piece of code, but you don't want it to render, you can like comment it out or something like that.
It's
So-
also helpful to see if you've got like a big long of HTML. you can then at the top of it explain what this bit of HTML is doing and where it is and all that sort of stuff. So
Yeah. So this same comment, you go like that, and then an exclamation point, and then two. I think those are hyphens.
yeah.
And type your comment. Then just two more to close it. Just two more hyphens, and then a greater than sign, I believe.
Ah, okay. And
Yes.
it'll, if you're using like a text editor like we are, like Notepad++ or any type is one I was looking at, they'll be green, and then you know they're.
And they also
Hyphens.
work multi-line, so do that.
Oh, I see. So it's from the start tag, or not tag, but start bit to the very end bit, and right, okay, right. So what you could do is okay, I get it.
Okay. So now I'll do images.
Images. Yeah, we'll get a lot of this. Just keep going, and I'll explain it because I think I can do images. So images, you start with IMG. Yes. Come on, we're all waiting for you. If you type it, I can see it. Oh, okay. Right. So images starts with IMG. Ah, there we go. And then you need to type in SRC, which is the source of the picture you're doing. Now, if I'm correct, yes, you can either do a website address or you can do a physical address within your computer / server if you make one. Yeah, am I right with that? Hey, he's got one set up on his own website. Gotta have a look at this picture. Okay, so if I type this in, create a it'll show you as I try and. Okay, random photo. Oh my god, how do you? And I'm guessing with these photos you can do pretty much all the all the main sort of extensions. So you can do JPEG, PNG, and all the rest of them. What are the rest of them? Yeah. Oh, hello. So, oh, well, wow, he's got a subdomain and everything. Load.gif. Oh, you can even do GIFs. Oh, so he's got like a, oh, wow, he's got like a little spinny thing, a loading thing. Oh, look, we've all found like part of his website, source.creative, hack it now. So with images, you don't need to have an end tag. You just need to put it between the two, sort of arrow things. Right, I see. So, as Nada's nicely shown you. Ah, yes. Ah, that's cool. Hold on, I need to put a break line within mine. Hold on, swap to my cam for ultimate break line stuff.
Whoa. Okay. Alright. Now.
Was I right with all what I was saying?
Yes, it was. It was correct.
I'm so good at this. Right, okay.
So, we should probably move on to forms now. You know, okay, so forms is just a way to get user input
Oh,
in several different ways. So you write the form tags out, and then in the form, you'll write like
okay.
it's like make text boxes, check boxes, radio things,
Radio buttons.
yeah, drop down
Doesn't say I do see
like
charts.
menus.
Oh no, they proper names. Okay, right. So carry on. So
Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
Okay. Let's see. What should I do first?
Do a basic text box. If you start with a text box, I think I can deal with that. I can explain it as you type it. Yeah. Go on. Text box. Oh. Well. Okay.
Okay. So you go. So say input.
Okay.
And type.
So the attribute is it a type? Oh yeah, that's the thing. These things are called attributes, aren't they?
Yes.
Like type, and what else did we do? href and source or src.
Yes.
Oh, is it just text? It's nothing. Okay. So let's have a look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, that's really cool. Oh wow. Right. So if you just do text, it just gives you a nice little text box, which you can then access and type your letters in, do all that sort of stuff. But I'm guessing, when I say right, that
Yes.
as there's no sort of use for this text box yet. It's just a text box. It doesn't like do anything
No,
yet.
not
Just
yet. Not
writing
yet.
stuff. Okay.
No. Okay, so you can also let's just make out. Let's make like a fake like login field form thing here.
Ooh, hey.
So that could be the username, and then you could put like a password. And put now normally password fields characters are start out, so you can do that just by making type password. And
Oh wow, there's a whole sort of thing for passwords.
yes, there
That's
is.
pretty neat.
Then line break there.
Yes, there is. I did it myself.
Then
So-
username and password.
Oh wow, that's really cool. And
hmm
can you like? I know you can do this in C#, but can you edit the sort of character the password text box is using, or is that sort of not allowed? So, you know,
Actually, I have never done that before. I've never looked into that.
well, in C# you
wonder.
can change it to whatever you want. But
I did
Sorry.
not know. Okay.
that'll be another episode, maybe one day.
Okay. So, let's see what else can we do here. Okay, how about can do like let's do like a checkbox. Put it's pretty easy. It's just set the type checkbox and
Oh, I see a checkbox. It's like a radio button, but what you can do is select it on and off. It doesn't have to be always just one on and one off.
yeah.
If you have
And then-
multiple ones, you can.
hmm And then for radio
know.
button, just type the radio and make a radio button.
And do they have to be in the form, don't they? They have to be in this form wrapper. They can't just.
Not exactly. If you want to submit the form to a server, you have to put it in the form. But if you want, you can just put them anywhere. If you want to handle it with JavaScript,
Oh, so like. Okay.
which we'll do later. See, I'm trying to think what other input types there are.
So wait. Oh, you got the radio button. Let's think. Can I think it from C#? What about list boxes and stuff like that?
Yeah, list boxes. They are not done in the input type, but they are still there. This is how you do them. They're pretty. It's called the select tag.
Ooh. Now, is this the same sort of thing as the inputs? Do they have to be in a form tag to be like sent to a server or whatever?
Yes, let's handle JavaScript. But yeah. So on the select tag to make an option is the option tag,
Oh, sure.
and then what you want it to do be displayed, put in the middle. Option.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, and then it just makes a nice little drop-down menu there. It's pretty handy.
Oh, right, that's not a list box. That's a combo box in C#. Right.
Okay. I see.
See.
Alright.
Okay, hold on. Let me just do a bit of formatting with break lines. No. Yeah, okay, cool. I've got those. Right here.
Okay. What other input types?
What about a button? That might help.
Oh yes, that's definitely
One of the most important ones, I think.
Okay, so that's just input type. Normally you put submit, or you could put button, but submit will actually submit the form.
Oh, I see.
Clicked.
Once we click it though, doesn't do anything. Why does it already come up with submit query? Can we change that?
It's the value attribute.
Ah.
Um,
And you know this value attribute, will it give you? Will it say? Shall I say, give a label to all the other ones? If we put value in, let's say, a checkbox, would it put like a little bit of text before it?
yes, I think so. I've never
find
tried that before because I don't really mess with checkboxes. And if you put a value in a text box, it'll just put
No,
it
it
in the
won't.
text box.
Doesn't do anything.
Oh.
Oh, in text box. In checkbox it doesn't do smeg.
Mm.
Doesn't do smeg. I'm guessing in a text box it puts that whatever word you put in
Yep.
into the thing. Oh, that's cool.
Mhm.
I like that.
Okay.
Let's have a look at
We'll
that.
get.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do form submission. We're gonna get to PHP maybe.
Yeah, oh yeah,
It'd be
definitely.
pointless if we don't handle it. Okay.
This text, this is getting quite big. This is text box. Also, as well, I think at the end we'll also put this in a. We'll give the source code to people as well. So
Will
they
we?
can. Well,
We can just copy it. We don't want them just taking it all and.
well, some people are lazy and they like the.
We don't want to help the lazy people. They need to. So
They need to get up and copy it. Right, okay, right, they're not getting it. You will get it, I'll force them. Right, okay, so.
What are you making?
What?
Blue pill, red pill.
Look, it's great. Look at the web page. Blue pill, red pill. It's the Matrix. Choose. Sorry, I'm having great. This my website's the bomb. I mean, your creative bin website sucks bum compared to mine.
Alright. So, I think that's good for now. Alright. Probably continue later with
We
styling.
will continue
another
it. I think
episode.
yes. So let's just do a quick overview of everything we have done, pretty much, if I can remember it. I spoke about all the doc type. So doc type defines the document of whether it's a HTML. So the web browser can understand it's a HTML document and not some weird made-up language, as you said. Head is the top of the Head's just where you like put all like scripting stuff in the title and all that sort of stuff. So you don't want it like the body or anything. Although, can it actually go in the body?
Yeah, it can go in the body.
But it's better just put it in the head for
Yes.
nicety reason. The header is HTML sort of rendering things, so you can put things in header and it'll be always at the top of the web page. And be nice and safe then. And there's body and then there's footer, so footer is stuff at the bottom. We then went on to header tags, which is not the header wrapper sort of thing, but the header tag is in a bit of text being a header or a title of a web page.
Yeah,
But
like
not a title of the
H1,
web page is
H2.
in the title that's on the tab, but the title of the web page is in the content side of it. So it'll be H1, H2, H3, H4, and all the way to H6. And they'll be in bold and be various sizes depending on which one you've defined. Block quote is where you sort of indent it in. Q is for quoting. Strong is for bolding. I is for italics. Then we went on to tables. You can define the border thickness with the attribute border equals quotation marks 1. If he's got rid of them all, I don't know which stream he's looking at, but if you look at mine, I've got it all. When the tables, then TR is for table row. TH is for table header, and table header will make it into a little bold, whatever text you put in. So I've done that. Then then you can keep going with all these rows, and it's very nice to format it. Then TD is one cell of a table, and then you can keep going across with all those. Then we moved on to DVIs, which is a block something, a block element. Hey, I'm remembering all the terminology here. A block element, anything sort of around it will just get pushed to the bottom of this DVI. And then we did span, which sort of puts it on the end. No, sort of in lines, as you said. So sort of whatever's within the span, anything sort of after it will sort of be on the end of it, and it won't sort of be pushed out at the bottom like made a new line. Oh yeah, we also did HR space / which makes a nice horizontal line in your HTML document. You also did BR, which just breaks the line, which is like pressing enter in your Word document. We then moved on to form, shall I say elements, but I doubt they're really called elements, and Nard's going to most likely say, no, they're some weird name thing. No, he's not going to type it in. I thought he might type it. Then we got input, and then the attribute text in quotation marks gives you a text box. Input with the attribute type, and you put password in, gives you a nice sort of text box, but it's sort of formatting. a password, so it has a special character in it, or as it's got like a little like sort of what's it called? A circle. That's it, a circle. One of those things. And so it doesn't show what's being typed in there, which is quite nice. We then did checkbox, which is these little square little boxes, and lots of those can be picked at one time. They can be good for like picking dates for things and other uses that I bet people tell me. Like actually, you see them mostly on accepting terms and conditions, so you can like accept it and unaccept it. Radio buttons, that'll give you various options, and you can only pick one of those options, so like male or female, boy or girl's the same thing, but those sort of things. Rapid, okay, and then got select box, which is a combo box, which you have lots of little options, and then the submit button, which you can also type button, but they're a button which sends it off to the form. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. Nard will most likely edit it and muck it up. Thank you for watching.